At least about 26 people are reported to have been killed after a high-tension power cable snapped and then fell on a market on the outskirts of the Congolese capital, Kinshasa. The victims included 24 women and 2 men, with 2 more were said to be very seriously injured. Authorities say that the mishap was triggered by a storm where such incidences continue to remain a bit of a mainstay. Our next report gets you the details.
Tears and anger in the outskirts of Democratic Republic of Congo's capital Kinshasa on Wednesday after a high-tension power cable snapped, killing 26 people according to authorities. The accident happened when lightning struck the high-voltage cable during a storm on Wednesday morning, the National Electricity Company said. It then fell on houses and a market. Visiting the scene, Prime Minister Jean-Michel Sama-Lukonde said the cable had fallen in pools of water where women were selling produce. He offered condolences to the grieving families on behalf of the president. Unauthenticated videos shared online appeared to show several bodies lying in puddles of water where they had fallen. The government spokesman said 24 women and 2 men had died, and that another 2 people were seriously injured. Muriel Grace says one of those killed was her sister. She had been moved to this location from closer to the main road, Grace said, adding that the authorities need to find a solution. Power cables frequently collapse in Kinshasa, a city of 13 million people where infrastructure is outdated and neighborhoods sprawl into areas not intended for homes.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.